Hi, and welcome to World of Suraj.
What is the Milky Way galaxy? The Milky Way is a galaxy we are all part of. The Sun is one of the billions of stars in the Milky Way. The Milky Way has a spiral shape. The diameter of the Milky Way galaxy is 100,000 light years. A light year is how far light travels in a year, and it is approximately 9.4 trillion kilometers. The Milky Way is 946 quadrillion kilometers across. The Milky Way is 13.6 billion years old. Why is it called the Milky Way? The Milky Way was called so because it looked like drops of milk spread across the sky. One popular myth is that the Greek goddess Hera sprayed milk across the sky. The Milky Way goes by other names, such as Silver River in China, Sky Ganga in India, and in South Africa is called the backbone of night. What is in the Milky Way? In the Milky Way, there are many things. There is a supermassive black hole in the center of the galaxy, and it's called Sagittarius A. There are regions of stars, planets, asteroids, and comets that extend from the center to the edge. These are called spiral arms. The Milky Way has two major spiral arms, the Perseus arm and the Scutum Centaurus, or Scutum Crux arm. There are plenty of other arms, like the Sagittarius arm, Orion arm, and the Norma arm. The solar system is located in the Orion arm. Is the Sun the largest star in the Milky Way? The Sun is a yellow star. However, there are many stars bigger than the Sun. They look smaller in the sky because they are very far away. One of them is Sirius A, and is a little bigger than the Sun. The next stars, in the order of smallest to largest, are Pollux, Arcturus, Aldebaran, Rigel, Pistol Star, Betelgeuse, and VY Canis Majoris. The biggest star is UI Scuti in the Scutum Centaurus arm. UI Scuti is considered the largest star at almost 2 billion kilometers in diameter. The theory on the future of the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way won't last forever. It is on a collision course with a nearby galaxy named Andromeda. The gravitational pull of both galaxies keeps bringing them together, closer and closer. In 4 billion years, as per NASA research, Andromeda will collide with the Milky Way to create a new galaxy. This new galaxy, maybe called Milkdromeda, would become an elliptical galaxy, a galaxy that is shaped like an ellipse or oval. Hello viewers! Thanks for watching. And please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you won't miss out on my latest updates.